Hello, everyone. Welcome to Emily.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. In this video, we will introduce how to use the Insert Text tool. This function is similar to paste, which allows you to paste text into a text block. However, you don't need to copy any text beforehand. You can specify the text yourself. Let's say we already have a text file named rpa.txt in the work folder, created by another module containing the text Emily.RPA. And we want to paste this text into Google Search. This can be done using the Insert Text tool. Open Training Mode, go to Google, and you'll notice that the cursor is already focused on the search box. At this point, we can use Insert Text to insert the words. Click Insert Text on the middle left side, find rpa.txt, and select it. You will see the text being inserted. Then click Enter to search, and you'll see the search results. Once everything is confirmed to be working correctly, you can stop the training, give the skill a name, and upload it. If you want to change the text being inserted in the future, you can also adjust the skill. Click on the skill you just created, find the Insert Text step and click on it. Then select the third last option, Tweak. You'll see rpa.txt there, and you can change this file name to insert text from another text file such as emily.txt. Moreover, you'll notice that we are currently in the File section. You can also select Text to insert a fixed text, so that every time the process reaches this step, the same text will be inserted. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.